everyone, so today I am finally doing a long overdue room tour and I'm going to be as in-depth as possible. I'm going to be opening all of my drawers, showing you guys all of my organizing. The last time I did a room tour was like 3-4 years ago in my old house, and ever since then I've moved into a new house, and I also moved out into an apartment briefly, but then I moved back into my house because of quarantine, and now I'm just kind of like chilling at the house again. During quarantine, we had so much time doing literally nothing that I finally decided to change up a lot of things in our room, because previously when I was living here by myself without Say, because he was in New York, my room was a very strong Pepto-Bismol pink because I thought it looked good. It was time that we just sort of made it more adult-like and more sophisticated, but still, you know, my style, which is very girly. And luckily Say is really understanding, and he knows that I'm always filming and stuff, so he's like, okay, fine, I'll let you have the pink wall, I'll let you paint the bathroom pink. So with all of that said, let's start with the tour, and our first stop is the entrance in the front of my room. Over here is the door, and then you walk in and you're kind of standing here. So this is the front of my room, and this is kind of where I made my new setup for my videos. So this video is coming soon. I did a summer haul and try on video, and I filmed it in front of here, so I'm just gonna insert some footage because I'm actually really proud of it. I think it looks really good. This mirror is from CB2. This console is from Anthropology. Over here is sort of like my clothing rack. I put this here purely for decoration, just to add more color. I have some random knickknacks over here. I have this box that Miu Miu sent me for my birthday, and then I have just like some random knickknacks like perfumes, candles. And then over here I have like my plants. This is my elephant ear plant. It still needs a pot, I know. And I also have my peace lily over here. And then over here on this side is my bathroom behind these curtains, which I will show you guys afterwards. So this is a little bit of an up close on my media console. There's nothing really in here because it's just kind of for show. This is one side of the bedroom. I'm sitting on our king-size bed. I share it with my boyfriend Say, and we have our own sides and our own like bedside tables. And yeah, I'm just going to show you guys my side. Previously, I had mismatched dinky random bedside tables, but I finally bought matching bedside tables for us, and I feel like I should have done this a million years ago. So I got these from Anthropology. I am a huge fan of their furniture. I love how it's like rounded and natural looking, and it just has this like really fun geometric shape. And on top I have this like marble based geometric table lamp. I got these from Target. I have just like some random knickknacks. It's not really for function as much as it is just for appearances. So next to my bedside over here is my closet. On this one over here, this is Say's closet, so all of his stuff is over here, and I get two closets because obviously I have a lot more clothes than him. And these are from IKEA. They were kind of customizable in a way where you could select which size you needed for the doors, and then also on the inside which kind of racks you wanted and where you wanted the racks. So I actually really love this closet. So this is only one of them, and this is where I keep all of like my short things. So my sweaters, my tops, and some of my skirts are up here. Up here is kind of like a haphazard collection of like my headbands, and basically that's all in here. It's just a bunch of my headbands. And then in the rest of these cabinets are like undergarments, pajamas, like other clothes. And in my closet, I actually hide all of my past secret loves. So all of my BLs are in one of these closets. And in this corner over here, I have a hidden sexy anime boy out of sight. This one is where all of my dresses are, and I wish I could just open it and show you guys, but I have a lot of other stuff in storage, so it's very messy. And oh god, it's horrible. And then in this corner of the room right next to Say's bedside is my little, like, it's really pathetic to call this a home office, but that's essentially what this is. The next thing I want to do with this corner is to take away this vanity, take away this giant useless pink chair, and to get a standing table over here. And we would put both of our desktops here so that we can work next to each other. For now, this is my pathetic little home office, but it is still in my room, so I still have to show you guys. Alright, so through these curtains is my bathroom. And as you can tell, it is completely pink with a mix of white marble. So I'm sure you guys recognize this from a ton of videos. Whenever I'm filming hair or skincare in my bathroom, I usually use this like marble in the back. But the reality is that I'm actually standing inside my shower. What is actually off camera is my actual shower itself. So no matter how hard I try, I think the shower is the ugliest part of the bathroom. I feel like it's just a place of necessity and function, and I just can't make it look cute no matter how hard I try. But I did want to show you guys my daily product essentials. If you guys are wondering what this is an exfoliating towel. It's called the Goshi towel, which my friend Garrett actually produced. I really like to use these on my legs and also on my feet for exfoliating, and it is just a really nice coarseness, which is more effective than a loofah, and it's also way more sanitary. So I keep this here and I use this maybe like every other day. On the top I have all of my hair care essentials and also like this random body wash from Huxley. But I have all of my hair products from Fanola. I don't really use anything else. Then over here I have my daily skincare that I use in the shower, and that's pretty much basically just this Paula's Choice face wash. The rest of these things are just like kind of here because. So this is my bathroom. I somehow magically convinced Safe to help me paint the inside of this like a very pastel pink. I need to just point out that my towels match the walls like pretty spot on, so I'm like really proud of that. But this is the double sink that we have. So this is Say's side. I moved all of his stuff out of the way just for like his like privacy. This is my side of the sink. This is where I organize the majority of my daily skincare and makeup, and I got this acrylic organizer off Amazon, and I bought one for Say too, so he also has a matching one. It is one of like my best purchases of this year. It just keeps things so organized. And so let me just point out some of like my daily skincare products. I have my Glow Recipe Pineapple C Bright Serum, and then I also have my Paula's Choice Moisture Renewal Oil Booster. And then I finished everything off with my Paula's Choice Omega Plus Complex Moisturizer. And then of course I also have my makeup remover. This is the Then I Met You Cleansing Balm. So over here is also where I keep my jewelry. It's not all of my jewelry, but it's just some of my favorite things. So I really love this one because it slides out and it has 3 different compartments where you can just sort of like hang your earrings off of. So down here are all of my drawers. I wanted to show you guys this part of my bathroom that I'm actually really proud of. I bought these temporary wallpapers, so they already came with the adhesive on them. I think I got them when I was in Hong Kong 2 years ago, and I like lugged it all the way back in my suitcase, and I put them on my drawers. So in here are all of my makeup. So let me get you guys closer so I can show you guys the absolute organization of my makeup drawer. This is the first drawer. This is my daily essentials, basically. I don't wear makeup on a daily basis, but if I do, these are all of my essentials. So I'll have like powders and blushes, and then my primers, some concealers are over here. I have some of my liquid eyeshadows. I have my lip products over here, some eyeliners, my things that have a spoolie, so my mascaras and my eyebrow products. So this is in reality a very small portion of the makeup that I have owned this year. I am constantly receiving PR packages, but I'm also constantly giving them away to people who need them more than I do. I have a bunch of foundations. They're mainly like CC creams and BB creams, tinted moisturizers. Over here are all of my bases, so all of my primers. I have a couple of random brushes here, but I don't really use too many brushes. Eyeliners, mascaras, brow products, anything that really comes in a tube is going to be over here. I have some powders, highlighters all the way over here. More blushes, more powders, more highlighters over here. And then here are my eyeshadow palettes. And then over here are all of my lip products. And then it kind of blends into my eye products and also my concealers. And next to my shower is my toilet, which you guys don't need to see. But what I do want to show you guys is what is on top of my toilet, which is my little shelf. Previously, this was just a really sad little boring space, the toilet area. So I wanted it to be a little bit more fun and inviting, so I put a cute little shelf. It's definitely a work in progress. I want to buy a lot more little plants. And I had a bunch of these really pretty products, and we're just kind of sitting out of sight in my cabinets, but I thought that they were way too cute to do that. So I brought them out and I put them over here. And I mean, just look at how cute these like pink bottles are. So that is it for my room tour. I hope you guys enjoyed. There's a lot of things that I still want to change, but besides that, I'm still really happy with how things are coming along so far. I will continue to share how things change and evolve, and yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys again next time. Babies! They only know! No. Bye! Go! You don't know how to go? Go!